Hello, I'm Jerry Ford. Got another Nature Valley Sweet and Salty Nut granola bar. I'm finding a lot of these different, the nut ones, they're coming out with all the nuts. This one here's a cashew, which is a very good tasting nut. They're expensive, like a lot of the nut brands or nut kinds. Let's see, it's 160 calories. Dipped in cashew butter. Dipped in cashew butter coating, bursting with cashews. Wow, it's showing the cashews right there. This is a nice mid-morning, mid-afternoon snack. Tide you over till lunch. Let's see what this tastes like. Curious. Okay, well, it's got a nice kind of a butterscotch kind of appearance. The one I did the other day had that candy, that nut goody candy kind of smell, texture, and even a little bit of the flavor. It's like a butterscotch type of flavor. This has a little bit of a vanilla. Almost has a light eggnog kind of aroma. Getting the cashews a little bit. Has a nice shiny corn syrup kind of a covering to it. Smells really good. You can see the oats. Not seeing the cashews so much. They're probably buried underneath the oats and stuff. Let's see if we can find one. I'm getting the saltiness. Corn syrup, lightly sweet. That dip, that stuff, very good. I think it said it was cashew butter or something. Yeah. I'm getting the cashews more as I chew on it. You don't get them like right when you put it in your mouth. The oats, very chewy. Very good tasting. Didn't feel like I got any cashews on that couple bites. Let me. Now I'm getting more now. Cashews are a soft nut, so you don't feel yourself biting them. So if you're looking to feel when you bite into them, you may not. Coming across some now. And I'm getting more of the cashew taste. Very good. Mm-hmm. Very good. Satisfying. Coffee. Goes okay with coffee. Okay, well, I'm gonna end it there. Let me know if you've tried one of these Nature Valley sweet and salty net cashew. Very good. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate it. See you on the next one. Bye.